Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can import photos into RawTherapee. So first launch the RawTherapee. So you will typically land in the file browser right here. Now use the folder tree on the left side of the screen, find the navigation panel, browse through your computer hard drive to find the folder where your raw files are stored. So as you can see right over here, I will scroll down a little bit. And just right here, I have a picture folder, and then inside I have here 2025, 2026, there are raw files. Now, if I double click on it, it will open up. So it will open up more. Basically, I have sorted by the dates where I have been. If I double click on that, you will see that I get those raw files, photos, this date. Now, to avoid navigating the folder tree every time, you can bookmark your most used photo directory. So, navigate here basically to, let's say, 2025. So, I will double click to select it. Now, at the top left, you will see here places and this plus icon right here. And if I click that, I will add 2025 to the places, so I can access through here. So let's go, for example, to here, and now I will close everything. If I do that, and just like that, you will see here this raw file, basically the file with the raw photos. Now that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.